Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about upselling of subscription. Subscriptions auto-renew indefinitely, but customers may need changes or adjustment. So flexible pricing as well as change in quantity is the key. That's where the upselling of a subscription come into play. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video and see how upselling works. Upselling subscriptions in Odoo 18 is what we are going to talk about. So Odoo 18 allows you to effectively upsell subscriptions, providing flexibility to adapt to your customers' evolving needs and maximize your recurring revenue. So why should you upsell? In case of loyal customers, it leverages existing trust to offer enhanced or premium subscription options. And for new customers, it entices new customers with discounted offers on higher tier subscriptions, building trust and potentially increasing customer retention. So let's first go to the configuration, and we have to make sure that under the settings, the discount is enabled. So you can find this discount under the pricing section. So it's already it's already enabled. That is, the discount is already enabled. So you don't have to do it again. If it's not enabled, you have to enable it and make sure you save it. So after doing that, the next thing is to create the upselling. That is, the upselling process is the next step. For that, you have to go to the subscriptions, and either you can create a new one or you can perform this on an existing one. So here you can see a subscription. I am just choosing it, which is in progress state, and you have to make sure that it is a confirmed one and invoice has been generated for it. So it's a confirmed one, it's a sale order. I'm going to generate an invoice. So click on create draft, confirming it. The confirmation is loading. Let's wait for it. So after you confirm the invoice, you can directly do the payment as well. So let's click on pay and create payment. Okay, so it's in payment state right now. If you go back to this, you can see we have an upsell option over here. So next is that you can initiate the upselling. So in the subscription sale order, you can simply click on the upsell button, so which will actually create a form with upsell status. So here you can see it's in upsell status. Okay. Now this is how an upselling is created, and here you can modify the quantity. So first one, I need one quantity, and the second one also one quantity. Okay. So quantity is given there, and this star is something that is these recurring products are discounted according to the prorated period from 130 to 27 to all those things. So this came because we've enabled the discount. So here you can see the discount. You can enable or specify discount for it. Right now the amount is 65. I'm putting 10% off. Okay, so the price have changed to 58. Similarly, here also I'm changing it to 10%, and this will also make a change to the grand total over here. See, here also you can see the change. Okay, so that's done, and what you have to do next? Okay, you have to confirm it. So before that, let's talk about the prorated discount. Okay, so a warning message will appear about prorated discount. Like this will only apply on service products. Okay, if it's not a service product, means then it will service products in sense a subscription product. If it's performed on a normal product, then what happens is that uh, one kind of a warning message will be appearing. So once it's done, you can send and confirm it. So I'm going to confirm this. This is in upsell state right now. So confirmation is done, and then you can convert this into a sale order, which is right now in a sale order form. Okay. So then you have a smart button which is called as sales history. So in this smart button, it will display the number of sales orders linked to the initial subscription. So you can click it to view a list of related orders with their subscription. So you can see the ones which are related. So here this is in upsell state and the other one is in progress state. So you can open this, create invoice and complete the procedure. Okay, that's how you basically do it. Okay, then confirm it, and then you can do the payment also. Okay, so click on pay, create payment. So it's that simple, and it's how you basically create it. Now, we've gone to this upsell one through the history. Okay, I'm going back to this particular sale order, and if you go to sales history here, You can see one is the upsell and the other one is in progress. So this is how basically you can perform upselling on a particular subscription. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it. So that's how we can upsell a subscription. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.